Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to block users on Depop. Now remember, Depop is a social shopping app and online marketplace where people buy and sell fashion items, especially second-hand, vintage and streetwear. It is popular in most countries. So how to buy and sell on Depop is a very easy process. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to block users on Depop. The first thing you want to do is to get yourself properly signed up or logged in on Depop. Now, if you do not already have an account, ensure you head to your Google Chrome browser and just type in sign up, and you go through all the process of signing up. And if you do have an account, you just want to log in, so you head over to this page and then click on continue to log in from your Google account. So I'll just click on this now, and then ensure you go through the process of properly getting yourself signed up and logged in on Depop. It's a simple process and it will take you straight to your Depop page. So this is what my Depop profile looks like. All right, this is what my Depop profile looks like. I can begin to buy, sell and carry out a world of activities on my page. But for the purpose of this video, I want to show you how to block users on Depop. Now, to achieve that, I'll head over to the top over here. There are several icons listed here, and then I'll just click on this box icon, which is where all my messages are. When I click on that, it will take me to this page where I have a list of my users over here. Say for instance, I want to block this particular person. I'll click on their profile, and at the right over here, it is stated that to report or block this particular user, I have to head to their profile in the Depop app and tap the three dots in the top right hand corner. Remember, the first thing you want to do is head over to the top here, click on this message icon. All right, it will list out your users. Click on the particular user you want to block, and then remember, you have to head over to your Depop app to be able to achieve blocking this particular user conveniently. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to block users on Depop. Until next time, bye for now.